Do you want an excellent way to strengthen your hamstrings and your low back? That is what the Romanian deadlift is designed to do. Let's go into it. I've got a kettlebell and a barbell here to show you both versions. So if we're looking at just a deadlift position, we're gonna show how the deadlift is different than the Romanian deadlift. A deadlift is more here. We're in more of kind of a squat position with the deadlift. We can go to a more Romanian position here, but for Romanian deadlift, our legs are far more straight. So I'm in this position. You can see my back is flat. We don't want to see a rounded back with a Romanian deadlift. There could be a time to train this, but with the Romanian deadlift, the focus is to build static stability, to build core rigidity, stack spine, and also to incorporate our hamstrings. So here, we're gonna come down with a super flat back. The biggest cue I can give you here is to simply shove your hips back as far as you can. So you're shoving your hips back. You're also putting all of your body weight through your heels. In fact, this is not a bad position for your toes to come off the ground. We'd rather them be glued into the ground, but it's gonna show us that you're putting all of your focus on your posterior chain, on your hamstrings, on your low back, and that should help build integrity for the Romanian deadlift. We can show you how to do it with the barbell, but that is the Romanian deadlift. Why should you train the Romanian deadlift? If you have a problem rounding your back when you're squatting or when you're deadlifting and you can't control it, there's a difference between actively going for a flex spine or a rounded back when you're deadlifting, like the big boys like Eddie Hall, Brian Shaw, but you need to be able to control that position. If you struggle with controlling that position, the Romanian deadlift is an excellent thing for you to train to strengthen your back and to strengthen your posterior chain. Guys, that is how to do the Romanian deadlift. My name is Dr. Sean Hiller. I'm a physical therapist and a certified strength conditioning specialist. This is the Vulcan Vlog. If this video has helped you, please like this channel, subscribe to our videos, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on an opportunity to enhance what moves you. This is how you do the Romanian deadlift with perfect form.